to maintain the natural beauty and lustre of your timber or hard surface flooring? Look no further than the range of Feast Watson floor care products. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly maintain floors for everyday use using Floor Clean and how you can protect and restore shine to coated floors using floor polish. Starting with the Floor Clean, let's clean this timber flooring using our all-purpose cleaner that is gentle on timber finishes. You'll need Feast Watson Floor Clean, a mop and bucket, and some water. Give your floors a quick vacuum or sweep beforehand to remove as much dust and debris as possible. Fill 4 litres of water in a bucket, then add 50 ml, which is approximately 2 caps, of Floor Clean and stir with your mop. Apply a generous amount of solution to your floor and loosen any of the dirt and grime as needed while mopping. Allow 30 minutes to dry for fresh, streak-free timber floors. Now that the floors are clean, we're going to restore the shine and add protection to this coated timber flooring with floor polish, our low odour, scratch and scuff resistant finish. You'll need Feast Watson floor polish, a lambswool applicator or mop, and a tray. Pour a small amount of floor polish into a tray and apply a thin coat using your applicator or mop. Work in small sections to ensure even coverage and avoid forming any pools of liquid. Plan your path over the floor and continue to apply to the entire surface. Up to 60 square metres coverage can be achieved per bottle. Allow an hour to dry and your coated floors will be sparkling and protected. It's that easy. With just a few simple steps, you can bring back the natural beauty and lustre of your timber or hard surface floors with Feast Watson Floor Clean and Feast Watson Floor Polish.